Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at QQQ, SPY as per the market indices, and then we'll also take a look at individual tech stocks, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Meta. I have done videos already on Apple and Netflix separately over this weekend, so check those out if you're interested. Definitely check out the one on Netflix because you don't want to miss out. We are going into a really good breakout. I'll show you my day trading bot as well on that real quick. But so this is on QQQ. You can see we are net profitable, last 30 trades of data on the table. And this is on SPY, net profitable, data is on the table left side as well. Good pullbacks last time, last trading day the bot made, and then also gave good partial signals just like every other day. I mean, we have red days as well, you can see that. Then this is on Microsoft, net profitable, last 30 trades of data you can see on the left side. And Google, yeah, Google is looking good as well. Net profitable. Let's go to the Netflix because I want to show you that as well. Netflix net profitable data is on the left side here. And what is Meta doing? And Meta is also, I think, net profitable for us. Yeah, net profitable data is on the left side. Anyways, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 indicators and 2 trading bots. All right. All right. So let's go to our, let's start the technical analysis. Sorry guys if I haven't told you, but none of this is any financial advice. It's only for education purposes. Please do your own thing. I take guarantee of nothing. All right. So starting off from the daily interval on QQQ, well, guys, we are plain purely bullish right now. So the reason we don't have any level up on the top right now because the price action is still showing a full momentum to the upside. There is no resistance. Sky's the limit right now. When those levels will develop, my indicators will show. So far from where we are on QQQ, any pullback, let's say QQQ starts falling, which it looks like it doesn't. I'll show you on hourly interval in just a second. We are so bullish that, but let's say even if it starts to fall, QQQ will still remain bullish as long as we are above 465 on the swing and the structure. All right, it's just so strong. So yeah, is there any possibility of cool off that may come? Well, it doesn't look like. If you have seen my last video, I was talking about this was the level, pretty much that 475. If we stay above it, like even from here, right, this is just going to continue higher, and we even got to the new all-time highs. Right now, guys, I'm not seeing any structure to the downside. All right, like QQQ has another day of pullback, can continue higher on this. Yeah, higher highs, higher lows, still structure is still bullish. Another day, pullbacks are just a buy in my opinion, at least intraday trade, and that may just continue higher. And my swing bot would have some positions as well on this. I didn't show you my swing bot, I only showed you my day trading bot. But again, if you are a member, you have access to my tools, you can go and take a look at it on your own. So yeah, if from here QQ has to start giving some cool off, at least on intraday, well, it has to lose the level of 475 and 42 cents before going further up. Yeah, but likelihood of that is rare right now. The downside, at least for one more day. Well, we'll see day by day, but at least for the day that is coming, it's just a pullback. Is still a buy on this, in my opinion. Is just still bullish. Have a stop loss regardless. Nothing is guaranteed in stock market. SPY still full on bullish. We are a little bit weaker than QQQ up here. However, structure is so bullish that any pullback on this to 536 and 93 cents or 20 days moving average is just a pullback overall in the structure. All right, but on intraday as well, you can see all the pullbacks are getting bought back up, guys, at our significant levels. You can see it got bought back up, and right now also structure is bullish. There may be some cool off may come if we lose 20 and 50 hours moving average, and that cool off may again come down to 539. Yeah, otherwise no, we'll just stay bullish on this as well. And structure, as I said, is still bullish even until 536 area. All in all, and those pullbacks intraday, as I just said, intraday, if those levels and moving averages break, intraday cool offs may come, but overall structure is still technically bullish on this things. Market can continue higher eventually. All right, let's take a look at Microsoft. So Microsoft, all-time highs, and yeah, tapping at all-time highs. The thing is that on Microsoft, any pullback right now to 430 is just a buy. You can see pullbacks are not even coming down all the way there. Any pullback comes, it just gets bought back up. It's so strong. So it's still bullish, guys. There is no structure to the downside, no weakness to the downside right now. As I said, 430 is a structural support on this thing. If I take it to the hourly interval, let's take a look at that. All right, it's interesting because it's like really resisting at the all-time highs. But here's the thing, if we get out of it, it's a good breakout and a continuation play to the upside. As for the cool off, guys, you would have to wait and first let it break 20 and 50 hours moving average. Then I would say any cool off can be traded. Otherwise, these places would just be a buy on this. All right, any pullbacks into this, it's still in an uptrend, and you can use this level as potential supports with the moving averages, and this can just continue higher, and it's just a buy in my opinion. All right, it's very bullish. All right. Apple. Oh, Apple I already talked about, guys, in my other video. Check that out on my channel. Sorry, not gonna talk here. Not gonna do a repetitive stuff. Google. So Google, well, so Google is such a sticky stock that it's better to just trade it swing rather. Well, you can trade intraday as well. I showed you my bot as well as profitable on this. Structure is still bullish. We are still holding above 174 and 62 cents. If well, next day we just stay above 20 days moving average, it can just continue higher. I'm not seeing any downside on this. And if we lose 174 and 67 cents, it may continue some weakness may come. But you can see it still got bought back up at that on hourly interval 200 hours moving average still, right? And also that significant levels marked by my indicator 174 and 70 cents. So yeah, we are still full on bullish on this thing. Yeah, level by level looks like it can another day continue higher as long as it's above 176 and 4 cents. All right, let's take a look at Amazon. And Amazon, well, so a little bit selling off up again closer to that, almost a formation of a triple top here, right? But it's not bearish. Well, structure weakness will come on this if we lose $180. If we don't lose that, then this thing can continue sideways or higher. But yeah, right now there is no structure break on this. But if we lose 180, then this would start to look a stronger triple top on Amazon to me. Let's go a little bit back here, guys. So Amazon, you can see that it's the type of a stock that can just stay sideways for quite some time. You can see in the past it has done that, like from when? July 2020 all the way to what? January, almost 2022. Almost 2 years. Guys, it just went sideways for 2 years. All right. So yeah, this is more, maybe you can trade just intraday this thing, or maybe even swing, just buy at the pullbacks as long as structure is still bullish on this, like as long as it's above 200 days moving average. Any pullbacks, at these significant levels can be tried intraday. If it loses, stop loss and then watch the next level, things like that, and try the pullbacks maybe, in my opinion. But yeah, this thing is, again, it's not, the structure is not weak on this as long as we are above $180. All right. Meta. So Meta, well, guys, yeah, it's purely bullish. That's what I have been saying on this. Yeah, that from the time here, once we formed this pivot and we got out and above of 476 and 15 cents, we have been plainly bullish on this, and getting out of 50 days moving average was another gap up, push up. And you can see it has been just level by level going up, and right now its structure is still bullish on this thing as long as we are above 503. If we lose 503, we might come down to 490. But likelihood of that happening right now is low, just my opinion. And again, that's quite a deeper pullback. But if we stay above 502 and 84 cents, just can keep continuing higher. Otherwise, some intraday cool off may come 489 and 92 cents. But from there, this will just be a bullish thing on this. It's just a pullback in the already ongoing structure to the upside. All right. Netflix, I already did a video on that. It's on my channel. Check that out over there. Well, guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools that you saw in this video, links are in the description below of this video. All right, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.